Hello everybody, welcome to Admit Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Motion of System of Particles and Rigid Bodies. The question is, from a circular ring of mass m and a radius r, an arc corresponding to a 90-degree sector is removed. The moment of inertia of the remaining part of the ring about an axis passing through the center of the ring and perpendicular to the plane of the ring is k times m square. Then the value of k is how much? The value of k is 3 by 4, 7 by 8, 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. So these are all the four options. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2021. Okay, that's all. Normally, you know that the moment of inertia of a circular ring, of course, a line passes through an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to the plane of the ring is I is equal to mr square. M is the mass of the ring, R is the radius of the ring. So this is the ring of which this portion has been removed. An arc corresponding to a 90-degree sector. So this is 90 degree. This it means what? Only 3/4 of the mass is remaining. Okay, that's all. So after the removal of the corresponding to 90-degree sector, the mass of the ring is equal to mr is equal to m minus m by 4. That is equal to 3m divided by 4. And moment of inertia r is equal to normally mr square. It means what? Here m is 3 by 4m into r square. So 3 by 4 mr square is equal to k mr square. Is it not? K times mr square. That means k mr square. It means what? Mr square. So comparing these two equations, you know that k is equal to 3 by 4. So the value of k is equal to 3 by 4. That is option 1 is the right answer. Okay. So this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2021. You will see one more question from the same chapter. What chapters are? Motion of System of Particles and Rigid Bodies. In our next video also. Till then, thank you and all. Okay.